Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out the Mila Air Mini. And Mila sent us this for the review. All right, so we have the bigger Mila, and this is a really cute little Mila. So this is designed for rooms that are up to 714 square feet. Okay, so let's open it up and check it out. All right, I'm going to spin it around. This is a Twilight Blue Mila Mini, and it comes in actually 5 different colors. All right. And it's got some information right here when you open it up, which is really nice. I'll say hello to Mila Mini. It's a little getting started guide. Oh, and I love this. They give you some balloons so you can show that it's really working. It's pretty cute. The breath it takes to blow up a balloon deserves clean air. I agree. All right. And get this thing out. And it comes in this nice little bag. This will make it really easy to get out. It's pretty light, as you can see. And down in here in the rest of the box, just the power cord. And here it is. It's refreshingly thoughtful. So you can see it's a really cool color, this Twilight Blue, and we really like the Mila because of all of the different air purifiers we've tried. It's got the best looking design. So here we go. And it's got a little sticker on the top that says hi. Actually, the Mila is very friendly. I really like the app too. I'm going to take off this. All right, so it's got a screen here that kind of shows you what's going on when you look at it physically. But the real magic is inside the Mila app, so we'll show you that when we set it up. All right, so this Mila comes with its filter pre-installed, and really all you have to do is unwrap it. So it's got a little sticker on here. Tells you to do that. So let's open it up. The cover comes off real easy, and then we just pull out the filter. And we take it out of its little plastic wrap. So they offer different filters based on your personal needs, whether you have pets or you have allergies or things like that. This filter is my favorite. It's called the Overreactor. All right, so let me just take out the plastic wrap and I'll put it back in. You can see it's got this charcoal pre-filter down here. And this is the filter here. So let's put it back in. All right, so we've got the filter installed. Let me just put the cover back on. Snaps on real easy. Now we're ready to get it set up and start purifying the air. Thank you for watching.